Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello, aspirants. In this video, I will explain how to study law optional for UPSC. First, dive deep into the syllabus for both Paper 1 and Paper 2. Understanding the scope is crucial. Next, analyze at least 10 years of previous question papers to spot important trends and frequently asked questions. This helps you prioritize your study areas. Finally, create a detailed study plan, ensuring you allocate sufficient time for every topic and section, building a strong foundation for your preparation. To master the law optional, focus on foundational legal concepts. Dedicate significant time to core subjects like constitutional law, international law, and criminal law, as they form a large part of the examination. Also, ensure a strong grasp of contract law, torts, and administrative law. Use standard, well-regarded textbooks and study materials to ensure accuracy and depth in your understanding. Creating concise, effective notes will be invaluable for your revision cycles. Effective answer writing is paramount for scoring well in the law optional. Practice regularly, focusing on structuring your answers logically with clear introductions, bodies, and conclusions. Always integrate relevant case laws, legal provisions, and constitutional articles to substantiate your points. Multiple revisions are key for long-term retention. Additionally, solve full-length mock tests under time conditions to enhance your speed and time management skills, aiming for completion within 3 hours. Staying updated with current legal affairs is crucial. Follow recent landmark judgments and legislative changes, integrating them into your static law knowledge. This adds depth and contemporary relevance to your answers. Effective time management is equally vital. Allocate specific hours for each subject, including dedicated slots for revision. Maintain a balanced study schedule to avoid burnout and ensure consistent progress. Regularly review your preparation and make necessary adjustments to your plan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.